What's up, my good people? Welcome back to the channel. This video is gonna be a fun one. I've been waiting to do this video. It came back as an idea after my oil change video. Kind of refreshed my memory on pretty much everything I wanted to do performance-wise to the car has been done for the most part. I'm sure I'll do some other things down the road, but I kind of feel like the car is somewhat complete from a performance standpoint. Maybe some suspension soon, who knows? But in terms of horsepower, I think I'm quite satisfied. So, what am I talking about? Well, this is going to be my impressions video. More of like my lasting impression. How I feel about the car so far with, you know, the modifications I've had done and, you know, what it's like driving the car and just my overall experience so far. So that's what this video is going to be about. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and make my way, get me my acai bowl. Is it acai? Acai?
What? Akea?
I don't know. All I know, it's a really healthy bowl that tastes delicious. It's amazing. And I'm gonna go get one, start my day, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So let's do it. All right, so in order for me to really do this video, I want to talk a little bit about what I've done to the car. Obviously, with all the videos I've done, you can kind of get an idea, but I haven't actually just put it all into one video and discussed it. So it makes sense to do it today. First things first, obviously, CTS intake. I can't say if it adds more power or not. I haven't dynoed the car. Some say cold air intakes, hence cold air. Does make more power, probably 7 to 10 horse, they say. I don't know. I haven't felt the difference since I had it on. I really only got it because it makes cool noises. So don't need to really mess with the diverter valve that's down there. You know, it pretty much relieves any pressure from the turbos just from that intake alone, in terms of the sound anyway. Just from the sound, it sounds really good. But so I've got that done from one of my first performance mods. In fact, it was my first performance mod. The second thing I have, which I've done a video on, is I did the S55 plugs and gapped them 0.022. Did all 6, and I also did those from FCP, as well as coil packs from FCP Euro as well. All of them have warranties on them, so that's awesome. I did that. Next thing I did was after that once I went stage 1, so I went stage 1 boot mode first, which was fantastic. Once I did that, I actually did a video like within like the same day. I blew the charge pipe.
You having a bad day? Did you die?
I got shot.
But did you die?
And so ended up having to do the charge pipe right there. I don't remember where I got the charge pipe from. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's a little dark in there. There it is. So I did the charge pipe. I don't remember where I got it. I don't think it was CTS. But anyway, I got it. It's an aluminum charge pipe. It's been running great, no issues whatsoever. And then I was like, you know what? I want this thing to sound a little bit better. And I know down pipes is just the way to go. So I ended up doing stage 2. It's the down pipe down there. I know it's hard to see, but it's way down there. A little blurry. But went stage 2 boot mode as well. It was amazing. I'd recommend it for anybody to go stage 2 on these cars. But yeah, almost forgot. Once I did the charge pipe, I also did Burger Motorsports intercooler. That's been a huge helper, especially in the hot summers with heat soaking. The power has just been consistent. Same thing, some people say it adds power. I can't say that it does. I would say that it probably maintains and retains power as much as possible, but yeah, I mean it's helped greatly with with this car. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the mods that I have done. I don't really have much else I would like to do from a performance standpoint. Maybe an exhaust out back, maybe a muffler of some sort, I don't know. I do have a pipe to do a resonator delete, so I may end up doing that as well one day, but for now I think this will just simply be it. Done some maintenance items on it. The dealer replaced the oil filter housing gasket. They did that. The valve cover gasket I'm sure will be due soon. And then I had this coolant return line right here that popped on me earlier in the year. BMW knocked that out as well. So, but yeah, other than that, I mean, obviously the LED, the new bulbs that I put in, I did that. Decided to join the Euro crew, do the M parallel colors or the M colors. But that's really it. Nothing really crazy. Cross-drilled and slotted rotors. That was a cool little video I did. They performed really well, by the way. But that's really it performance-wise. So let's go ahead. Let's jump in the car. I'm going to do first-person view. So we'll see how this goes and get the driving impressions and boom, be on our way. All right, so the car itself, it feels and sounds really good. Car pulls well. It's got a great tone to it. Let's see if I can move over real quick. Great tone to it. Obviously, like I said, the VRSF downpipe has been paramount in just the experience of the vehicle overall. Like it sounds so good. A little bit of a stench, a little bit of a smell, but that's, I mean, normal when you've gone catless. If you don't think you could deal with the smell, then I would probably go with a catted downpipe. But you know, with this, it's man, it just, the way it sounds and feels is amazing. Like, listen to this thing. Oh shit! Woo! She gets up. I'm still not used to that, man. I really am not. I love the way this car feels. I thought about going a little bit louder in terms of tone, but an exhaust note, but I don't know if I want to go back to kind of that same experience I had with the GLI, where although it sounded great, it was just kind of raspy. But overall, these motors have actually been known to be kind of quiet for the most part. Like even when I did the downpipe on the GLI, I had the resonator and muffler delete done already. So I really don't know what that car would have sounded. I mean, I know it would have sounded different, but I don't know what it would have sounded like if I had just did the downpipe and left the factory muffler and factory resonator. But on this car, it's been it's been pretty quiet for the most part. There's noise on the inside. When I'm just cruising, I can hold a conversation like I am now, like I'm sitting here at idle, and it's just quiet. Like nothing major, nothing crazy. But then when you get on it, it sounds good enough on the inside. Cool little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, comment. Let me know what you think. What are your comments? What's your experience like with your F30, or even just a BMW in general? Would love to hear about it. Until then, thank you guys for watching once again, and share this video, man. Spread the word. Hope to do some more in the future. Thank you guys. Peace.